Let's learn how to divide the number 176 by 8 using the long division method. Now see that 1 is less than 8, so we will consider the number 17. We know that 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 8, so we will bring down this 6 here. And we know that 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 176 divided by 8 is equal to 22, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.